change. If you look at this table, we have our hundreds chart, we have a couple sets of different bills and a couple of sets of different change over here. So we are gonna practice counting our mixed bills and mixed change.
So now remember, when we counted like change, when you count just ones or fives or tens or 20s, we count by ones, fives, tens, and 20s. When we're counting mixed change and mixed bills, we have to switch our skip counting. So follow along with the hundreds chart while we count the mixed bills and mixed change. All right? Here you go, Mr. Nick.
Thank you. And remember, when you get your bills, you want to sort them out before you get them. You always want to start with the biggest value, the bill that's worth the most. So I have the bill that's worth the most is 5. Now the bills change, so like what Miss Wilson said, you have to switch. And a $1 bill, you count by 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So altogether, I have $8. Here you go, Miss Wilson.
You're welcome. Here's your next set to count.
All right. Remember, sort the bills. Okay. So 5, 10. So this is like 5, 10, and now we have to switch. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have $15 altogether. Right? You just have to make sure that you remember to switch when the bills change.
All right, great job. Keep going.
Okay. So you can see, so $10 is the biggest. It's worth the most. And we have to switch. 11, 12, 13. So we have $13 altogether. Here you go, Miss Wilson.
All right, here's your next set.
All right, let's look at the bills that we have. All right, so $10 is worth the most. 10. Oh, we have another $10 bill, so we have to continue to count by tens. 10, 20. Then we have to switch. 21, 22. We have altogether $22. Awesome job counting, guys.
Nice, you're doing a great job. Your next set.
Oh, let's look at this now. We have $20, and that's worth the most, right? It's bigger than the $1. So 20. We have another 20. 40. Now we have to switch. 41. 42, 43, and 44. So we have $44 altogether. Awesome job, guys, counting mixed bills. I love how you guys are switching when we change the bills. All right, let's look at this. Okay, so which one? All right, Miss Wilson, so $10 is worth the most.
So we have 10.
We have 10, and now we have 5.
So now count by 5. So 10, 15.
15, and then we have to now switch to ones. 16, 17, 18. So we have $18 altogether. And if you could see, right, we started from the most to the least. So 10 is the most, it's the biggest. Then comes the 5 and then the 1. So we have $18 altogether.
Did a great job. I'm sure you guys are doing a great job at home counting your mixed bills, okay? So now we're going to switch to change, okay?
So I'll give Miss Wilson the sets.
Oh, I'm going to count this time.
Miss Wilson's going to count.
So remember, when you're counting change, the same as when you're counting mixed bills, you need to sort your money first. So I'm going to sort my money first. And the quarter, which is worth 25 cents, is worth the most. So I'm going to put my quarters here. And then I have some pennies, which are worth the least. So I'm going to group them all together. So I'm actually going to put them on the chart. All right, so I have the quarters were 25 cents. So 25, 50, 75, up. And now I have to start to count by ones. So 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 cents. That's how you count mixed change.
All right, Miss Wilson.
Some more.
There's another set.
All right.
And you know what? I want to count mixed change too, so I'm going to take a couple of sets as well.
All right. All right, so I'm going to sort my money first. So here's the quarters. And I've got some nickels, which are worth 5 cents, and a penny, which is worth 1 cent. So I'm going to start using my hundreds chart. I have 25, 50. It's a nickel, so I have to count by fives because a nickel is worth 5 cents. So 25, 50, 55, 60, and now the penny is worth 1 cent, so I'm going to go to 61.
Nice job, Miss Wilson.
Thank you.
All right, like Miss Wilson said, now I have to sort my change, just like what we did for the bills. So I have dimes, and dimes are worth 10. So we're going to group them together, and then I have pennies, right? They're worth 1 cent, and 10 cents is more than 1 cent. Okay, so now let's help me count. So pennies worth, dimes worth 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Now we have the 1, so we have to count by ones. 41, 42. So altogether we have 42 cents. Awesome job, guys.
Keep counting. Count with us as we go. So I have another set, and here I just have 2 dimes, which is worth 10 cents, and 3 pennies. So the dime is worth more, so I'm going to start with my 10s. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. I have 23 cents.
Good job, Miss Wilson.
Your turn.
Okay, so remember we have to sort. So I have a dime. My dime is worth 10. Then I have 2 nickels. Okay, nickels are worth 5. And then I have 2 pennies, and pennies are worth 1 cent. All right, so help me count now, guys. So we have 10. Now we have a nickel, so we have to count by 5. So 10, 15. We have another nickel, so we have to count by 5. So 15, 20. Now we have a penny, so we have to count by 1. So 21 and 22. Mr. Nick's favorite number, 22. So we have 22 cents.
Now I have to go. I'm going to count my favorite number. All right, here we go. I have a dime, a nickel, and 2 pennies. The dime's 10, so I'm going to start with 10 cents. So 10, 15. Oh, now I got to switch to counting by 1. 16, 17, and 17 is my favorite number. Everybody email us and tell us what your favorite number is.
And we want you to show us with the amount, with the change, with the coins. We want you to show us what your favorite number is by using change, and if you can, using bills as well. All right, guys, have a great day.
Bye.